We all know how India is doing great when it comes to precision component manufacturing in the global level. With China Plus One policy, there are a lot of demand and growth for the Indian manufacturers. But how this was achieved, how we were able to build a quality, how we were able to build the brand image of India globally, telling that yes, we are able to do quality precision components. We at Machine Maker, with 8 collaborative partners, coming with a special initiative called Manufacturing Maestros, and going to celebrate the people who were instrumental in building India's brand image.